Hi, my name is Miro Vrlik and I am photographer and videographer, and this channel is about anything what have something to do with photography or videography. Welcome here and please enjoy this episode. We will talk today about how to make money with photography. I know it's a hard question, but you can hear many answers about it. It is possible, it's not possible. Yes, I will say yes, it is possible even these days. It was not easy. You will not need too much for starting. Definitely you will need some camera and phone. The best is really something like smartphone with good optic, and you will need the love for work you will do. This is really no big investment because almost everybody have today some phone, or you can buy some used camera on the market, and this is how you can start. This is good like side income and you can make extra money for yourself, but definitely it's a lot of work behind it. Basically any type of images is possible to sell on the market, just you have to be the creative. The creativity is the most important part in this market and sorry about that, it's the most important part of the market, and if you have no idea you will never make picture that this will be sold. I know it's definitely not easy when you starting, but it is possible. Here you can see some my images I did during my photography career, and I will give you some idea how much money some images made. Always pay attention to the colors, angle you are doing, the lighting, it's the most important part. And if you want make like good collection, try keep the camera always with you and use any situation, your free time or anything for make a new picture and make your gallery online bigger and bigger, because this you really need to have a good base images if you want to be really successful on the market. Try really think like the people who won't buy the images, like the buyers. Think how the image can be used, what can be profit for other side, how they can use your images for some modeling situation, because you never know how people won't use your images. This is the hard part, and it's definitely nobody don't know the answer for that, but it's many people who can guess that, because if you have some experience with selling picture, you already have the feeling the picture is good seller or have some potential, or it's just beautiful picture, but you will never sold him on the money on the market for the money. If I am talking about really have a big gallery, the big portfolio, I am talking about thousands images, because if you have like 10 images or 20 or 100 or even 1000, this not mean really nothing. It's just one drop in the ocean. You definitely have to cover many different part of photography if you want to have really good saleable images in your portfolio. Always is good if you following the trend, because the trend is something what is really always visible on the photography market, and if you have something what is like new and it's talking about world situation and about the changes, this is always good sellers. Same like when COVID-19 starts, it's everybody just start shooting the picture about COVID. It's really definitely when you hit the first wave, you have big chance have your images on this market between the first people, and the picture can make you really pretty nice income. Theoretically, you can take picture anywhere, at home, outside, you can travel, you can take picture with people, without people, you can make like background, you can make like some situation, with your friends, and this is how you can start build your portfolio. You need only your phone and your camera for starting this business. If you want to go deeper, this will be different story, because you have to make investment with better camera, with better lens. You definitely will need some software, and you have to find what really you like it, because if you don't like people, don't even start do this, because if you are not happy with people, it will be hard. Try shoot some product, some still life, try shoot some backgrounds, or buy macro lens and try shoot some macro. Really everything is possible to solve if it's made really well, and if you make something well, must be done definitely with love to job you are doing. The newest camera on the market will don't help you make the best picture. This what just many people it's thinking about, but it is not true. The truth it's your skills. This is what is make you money. For starting with photography at home, you definitely need some lights. The lights doesn't have to be some expensive lights. What I'm using almost like 8 or 10 years is just Windows lights and some background. Yes, I have other professional lights, but I don't use them every day. Many my food is just photographing with Windows lights and with some reflection panel, and this is everything what I need. And and the good tripod. I will not tell you how much money you can make, because this is something what I don't know, but everything it's on your side. You are the main player, and you can make money how much you want. Depends how good will be your picture and how good you catch the market with your images. I already give you some inspiration now. Just grab your camera or phone, go outside or sit next to windows and try do some picture. Maybe this will be just your beginning, and very soon I will give you idea if you really just starting what agency you can use and where you can start selling your picture, and where you can, in which place you can test your images if it's sellable or not. Thank you for watching, and have a nice shooting days. And if you feel comfortable, just post some link here, in the comment down, and I will take a look for your ideas, and maybe other people will see your images, and maybe somebody will contact you. You never know. If you like this episode, please give me the like, and if you like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I will be really happy when I see you here again, and I can talk to you about photography and give you some idea what you can shoot next time and how you can do your job better.